Digital support is very important in the days of today, where we popularly say that digitization has broken the walls of the classroom. It's true, but it has to be used with a very discretionary way to make my teacher take the help of it as a supplement, as a complement to the system of learning. How to do it in different subject areas is our part of designing, of developing that pedagogy, that we take the best of it to transfer to my learners and make the class much more enjoyable of that learning, concept clarifications, clear understanding, and making the learning enjoyable. The investment that we require in education is very heavy, and it is in thousands and thousands of crores, which the government of India or the states are not able to provide for. That's why they are a good combination, I should say, joining hands together of the state and the private entrepreneurs have to come together. A few of the things have been done there, like corporate social responsibility already provided for. So something in the name of educational institutional development can be done by the corporate sector. Same way others may also come. Earlier it used to be philanthropic, today it may be philanthropic plus a part of business also, so that this self-financing becomes a little bit acceptable to the people who are investing in education. But it has to be a long-term process in any way, because education is an investment for a long-term process and long-term return. It is not a one-day affair, neither an event. I know many of them in the name of NGO or groups or individuals working in not only in the urban population, but also going to the difficult terrains, the interiors of the country, and they are working there excellently well. They are also associated with many groups and associations, and my only message to them will be, please go innovative, whether you are a IITian or an MBA passed out or whatever you are. There are a lot of problems in India in each and every corner. Could we all take the challenge to sort them out? Because I believe Indians themselves have got the capacity to make the solutions out of their creative thinking and innovative practice.